Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about is Head Candy legit? Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website, which is Head Candy, and it is an online shopping store. You can see it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple affordable beauty products including nail candy items, skincare plus body beauty care items, candy lashes, candy kits, accessories, hair accessories, candy teas, and various gift cards as well. You can also take a look at the product category list including styling tools and accessories. Guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. You can take a look. And talking about the payment info, so they have not provided the exact payment information, but to know about the payment info, you need to visit the particular product and you need to buy or add to cart to view the payment modes on this website. And the company accepts payment via ShopPay, GPay, PayPal, and Amazon Pay. So you will get the information related to payment by ordering or by adding the product into your cart. Now guys, let's take a look at the shipping policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the shipping policy page and you will get to know about the delivery information or processing time as well. So let's take a look. Here is the shipping and returns page. You need to click on this page and you can see they had asked for to allow 5 to 7 business days for processing, and the delivery information, according to the delivery information guys, it will take around 5 to 7 days standard shipping via UPS ground. So rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience guys, and let's talk about further information. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So this site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. Talking about the domain info of this site, the domain name was created on 28th of December 2015. So guys, this site is an old website which define its legitimacy. Now talking about us information, you need to visit the about us page. You need to visit the menu option button and you will get the about us page. And in this page, you can see they have provided information related to business owner name, business offering, brand connection info, etc., which is a positive sign. Talking about contact details of this site, here is the contact us page and you can see they have provided contact details including contact number and email address. Apart from that, they have provided a query form. You can connect with the customer's representatives via query form as well. So this is a positive sign. They have provided the legit information, which is a good sign. Now talking about the social media presence, so you can see the site has strong social media presence on Facebook and Instagram. This site has strong or huge followers on Facebook and Instagram, including 71k followers on Instagram. So this is a positive sign, and the strong social media presence of the site makes the site quite suspicious. Now guys, talking about return and refund policy, you need to visit the shipping and return again. And here you will get a return policy option, and you can see they have mentioned that 1 to 15 days from verified delivery date and 16 to 45 days from verified delivery date. Payment in store credit minus $20 handling fee. So these are the limitations and limited return policy guys. Do comment about your thoughts or do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, because guys, they only accept returns on hair appliances. So do comment your thought about this video guys, because it will help other customers to know more about the website or making any online purchase. Now, talking about Head Candy reviews, we have found various positive testimonials on the website and 4.8 star rating on other platforms as well, which is a good sign. Along with that, we have found comments on Facebook. One of the customers said they are amazing, they work with you, they help you through everything, and if you have any questions, they are there for you 100%, and they FaceTime with you about the products as well. Amazing. So we have found majority of the positive reviews about this site, and here you will get the testimonials. So these are the testimonials you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Guys, apart from that, the trust index score of the site is too good, and this website is popular, and the domain name of this site is too old, which is a good point. So according to these factors, we can conclude the review by saying that this site is a legit website. You can give it a try, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.